Welcome to this guided session to relax and prepare your mind to fall asleep. Please make yourself as comfortable as you can and let these words wash over you in a relaxed way. You don't need to actively pay attention to them. Simply let them gently come and be heard. Perhaps sometimes you wish that there was an off button for your mind. An overly busy mind can halt us in many ways throughout our lives. And one of the main things that a busy mind disrupts for millions of people around the world is a good night's sleep. Why is this so? To answer this, let's relax your mind just a little bit right now. Imagine that your mind is represented by a river, with waters that sometimes flow slowly when there is a lack of rain, or sometimes very quickly, depending on the weather and the time of year. Your mind is the river. Your thoughts are the water. How quickly is the river of your mind flowing right now? How fast are the thoughts, represented by the water, flowing in the river? Just watch this flow as if you are sitting on the riverbank, enjoying it. Now, for a moment, imagine that a storm of thoughts is coming to your river. See how the waters rise and speed up. It is only rushing by a little faster now, yet the storm is building. The more thoughts you let into your mind, the more the waters rush by. It becomes a threatening river so quickly that you cannot sit on the bank watching your river any longer and observing the beauty. You must seek shelter from the storm. This storm of thought has taken the ability to observe away from you. It takes a while for a storm of thoughts to pass, and even longer for the after effects of the storm to calm. The waters continue to rush at high speeds for several days or so. This is what happens when you allow a storm of thinking to enter your mind. It disrupts you for some time, until the waters can naturally settle. We always want to remain on the bank of our river, being able to calmly observe the movement of the waters flowing by. We all know sleep is necessary and rejuvenating. So why do so many people suffer to achieve restful sleep? Because they do not take charge of their busy mind, moving it away from worry to relaxation. A calmer state of mind allows for you to not only sleep better, but eliminates anxiety, increases focus, treats depression, stops circular thinking, improves your memory, betters your relationships, satisfies the body, and increases emotional intelligence. And the key to attaining all of these is actually very simple and natural for all of us. The key is to become mindful of your physical sensations, emotions, and thoughts, allowing you to simply be present with things as they are in this moment, as opposed to having your mind constantly jumping to the future or the past. This gives the chance to the river of your thoughts to flow calmly and to prevent overflowing. Remember that each day you practice being mindful of your breath, body, or thoughts, the more restful and deep sleep you'll get each night. So now, just relax down even more, letting your body make any last adjustments it needs, and let your mind sit quietly by the bank of the river, watching the stream flowing calmly and at ease.